We're with coach of unfortunately losing team today. Coach, first of all, speak to us about your team's performance.
Um, Clearly, 4 goals is nothing to feel good about. We ought to feel bad about it, irrespective of what we did during the course of the game offensively, with the many chances that would have accumulated. But I think that we made some tactical errors inside of the middle of the park at the beginning of the game, and it cost us. But however, before coming to that, we had 2 very clear-cut chances before Waterhouse really got their opportunity. And I think right there and then the game actually changed. Even 2-0 down, we figured out to fancy our chances. The third goal was very, very unfortunate. I think there were too many missteps in our defense contributing to those goals.
All right, coach. I'm not keeping it too long today, coach, but until very recently, you guys would have been undefeated, and now in very quick succession, you guys lost 2 games. What caused this downtrend in form?
I can't explain it right now, and I'm not going to tell you that it's the season that we just the Christmas season. I think what is happening out here now is that teams are sensitizing themselves to us, and I think it's time for us now to make our own adjustments in terms of what we do. So going forward, we need to become unpredictable.
All right, coach. Obviously, you said you're going to become unpredictable, but is there any particular way you guys plan to go?
I'm not going to say what I say. I was just having a discussion with my coaching staff, and there are some clear-cut things that we intend to do going forward.
All right, coach. Better luck going forward.
Thank you very much.